Welcome to Beginner's Guide for the C programming tutorial videos. In today's tutorial, we are going to discuss about the control statement in C program. So what is control statement and what is the use of control statement? So as for now, we have seen the different programming examples in the previous tutorial. If you notice those examples, I am sure that you can able to understand one thing. The C programming interpreter execute the program sequentially. So what does it mean sequentially? The program will execute in the same order in which they appear in the program, which is nothing but, for example, A is 10, B is 20. If you want to execute this program, it is going to execute step by step, meaning that it is going to execute the first statement followed by second statement. That is called sequential, meaning that step by step. Okay, the first statement will execute first followed by the second statement. In serious programming situation, we don't want them to be executed in the same order. Sometimes we may expect them to be executed in a different order. So how can it be done? That can be done using these control statements in C. So this control statement in C has got if statement, if else statement, and followed by the conditional operators. So what is the use of this control statement? This control statement is the one which help us to execute the C program in different order based on the problem that we are going to solve. This is about the introduction of control statement. In the next tutorial video, we will see the control statement in detail. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe the Beginner's Guide.